Let me show you how to test the starter. Plug your terminals, negative, negative, positive, positive. Then you want the ground, just anywhere on the chassis. That'll be the ground, and then your positive lead to this bolt right here, which would be for your power source for the battery. Now, just use a screwdriver, touch those two, and it should start, or not. We'll see right now. And there it goes. It's good. And it's good to go. This is for a 95 Mustang GT. Have a starting problem, and now I know the starter isn't the problem. All right.